Good day guys and welcome back. If you have Bitcoin sitting inside your Cash App and you want to move it out of the wallet to a secure external wallet or crypto exchange, the process is straightforward. I'm going to show you exactly how to execute a clean on-chain transfer step by step so your funds move safely over to blockchain network. So before you touch anything inside Cash App, open up your destination wallet, whether that's a hardware device, a software app, or an exchange, and copy your unique Bitcoin deposit address. Make absolutely certain that it is specifically a native Bitcoin network address, not Bitcoin Cash or something like that. Once the string is safely on your clipboard, open your Cash App on your phone. From the primary home screen, tap on the Money tab in the bottom left corner. This is the icon that looks like a little bank building. From there, tap directly on the Bitcoin tile to launch your crypto management portfolio screen. Next, tap the transaction arrows or the airplane icon and select Send Bitcoin. Next, Cash App will prompt you to type in the exact value you want to move. You can input this amount in standard US dollars or also tap the screen to toggle it over to view the raw BTC fraction value. And just enter your amount and hit Next. On the target recipient screen, paste that destination wallet address you copied earlier directly into the to input block at the top of your screen, as you can see right here. You can also use a QR code instead. Tap the address text to confirm it, and you'll be prompted to choose a withdrawal speed. You can select priority to clear the blockchain in 10 minutes, rush to clear it in under 2 hours, or select standard, which is completely free if you are transferring over to $100 worth of crypto. Review the final ledger so that everything checks out, and then press on confirm and send. That is it for this one guys. Enjoy as always, and thank you for watching.